Yeah, good morning, my wonderful viewers. Today, I'm bringing you an update on one of the sites I've been posting video on. Yeah, so if you quote my previous videos, you see something similar to this foundation work. When we were doing the foundation, there was a lot of water in the ground. And we have to do a lot of engineering works yes, I have videos of that in there. Today, look at what you are seeing. As if we did nothing here. Yeah, so what is happening this morning is that we are doing ground beams. So this is a form work. For the ground beams. Yeah, the shutters or the form work or panels, okay, for the ground beams. So the steel bender is gonna mold or form the reinforcement beam, and then we'll start the arrangement in the formwork. Then the mason will come in to cast the concrete. So the ground beam we are doing 300 by 150 yeah, and the spacing is that's the stirrup spacing is 9 inches, which is 225. Yeah, which is 225 centers. So that is what we are doing today. So if you see there, the guy is taking off the filling material to expose the block work, because the ground beam has to run on block works. So he's taking off the filling material to show the block work for the ground beam to work on it. And this is a steel bender. So what he's doing here is the iron rods there is short, so he has to do lapping. He has to continue, give it another lapping length, another bar. So he's lapping it to make it tall, so that when we cast it, we can have enough lapping length to continue the columns, the reinforcement columns here. Okay, so if you look at the ground, you see that it has been compacted. Yeah, it has been compacted. Yeah, compaction has been done. It's very, very important. This particular soil it has a pool of water in the ground, about, let's say, 1.5 or 1.6. Yeah, there's groundwater there. Seepage water, sorry. There's the seepage water. So when we're doing the foundation, you have to use a whole lot of foundation techniques to kind of do the foundation. And by the grace of God, this is where we got into. Yeah. This is a residential building. Yeah. The edifice is very nice. So I'll be giving you updates. Yeah. The purpose of this video is to get you informed so that you can learn. You see, the reason why we are doing ground beams in this case is because we are going more than one story. And I told you that the soil is also not good. So we have to give it a ground beam, a tie beam, so that when the foundation is compromised in a way, the structure will not settle beyond the acceptable misclose. So there's a need for us to put this thing there. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you also have a project, you can fall on us. We'll do it for you. We'll do it for you. Thank you. So the view is so clear, you know. I designed this building, yeah, and even in the soil, you see how the plan looks like. It's a very nice building. So it comes this way. It comes this way like this. Goes like this. Goes like that. And goes like that. Yeah, so nice. Yeah. We are getting it done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay? Thank you.